another one. We're gonna go over some rules today of what you should do and you should not do. So everybody have a good time. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, now this is the rules of the zombie run. This is a non-contact sport. So we don't touch, we don't trip, we don't push any of the zombies or the participants. Okay, people, this is a very important rule. When you get your flags, you only get 3 flags. And that's it. You don't take other people's flags off of their belt. And you don't pick up all the flags off the ground. You have 3 flags and those are yours. If you lose them, then that's unfortunate. If you have to, go get one at the emergency room. Like Flo has. You have to go find the nurse's table and get a new flag to carry you alive. It would be nice if you get across the line with only 3 flags, but let's not face the facts, okay? You got to really figure it out. You gotta run fast. If you get caught by a zombie, oh well, you still got 2 more flags. And if you got caught again, then you still got 1 more flag. But unfortunately, 3 flags are the rule. No stealing and, oh, that's gross. No stealing and no picking up off the ground, people. Okay? Okay, this race is very fun and it's for families. It's a family show, okay? So it's very important when you wear your flags, you don't wear them here, okay? Because if we don't do the cross shot, okay, it's not right, okay? You take your flag and you put it over on the side and on the side, and you move it over. So yeah, so 1 on either side, like that. If you put it in the front, things could happen that you don't want to happen. So make sure you make it on the side and in the back. One other thing, don't tie them. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's not the purpose of that. If you tie it, this could happen to you. And then there's someone, it could be bad. And you pull down, and you get pulled down to the ground. That's wrong, okay? So don't do that. Another thing is, guess what? You gotta make sure I can see it. Flo, can you see it, Flo? No. Oh, we can see some underwear, but you have to make sure the flag is all the way visible, okay? If we can't see it, we can't grab it. We can't grab it, and we can't get it. If we can't get it, we can't get you. So make sure that they're visible. And that's a very important rule, isn't it, Flo? It is. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, next rule. Unfortunately, we cannot be winners like me and Flo. Loser, winner. Winner, loser. This is how it goes. You start with 3 flags. You may not necessarily end with 3 flags. But before the end of the race, there's a nurse passing a white flag so you could get at least 1 flag to go across the line. It's okay to be a loser. We can't all be winners. There's some losers. So if you have, at the last kilometer, you can get a white flag and cross and you can win a prize. But even though you win a prize, you're still a loser. It's okay. It's all about having fun. So, winner, loser. It's okay. You still had lots of fun. You have fun, didn't you? Fun? Yes. Did you have lots of fun? Yes. Put the thumbs up. Fun. Yeah. Okay, people, this is a very important rule of the race. It's a safety rule. We want everybody to stay safe. You have to stay running on the trail at all times. Because you can be running through the woods, and you can fall down and hurt yourself. And then you're on your own. Zombie food. Eat them up. Eat them up. So please, for the love of all leave your dogs at home. We don't want them on the trail. It is not permitted, and you can't leave it in the car. So please leave your dog at home during the race. Thank you very much. That's my dog, though. Okay, I hope you like the videos of the do's and don'ts of the 5 km zombie trail run. So please look at it and really pay attention because we want everybody to have a great time. We want everybody to be safe. So let's get it together, people, okay? So we'll see you on September 24th at McDonald Park in Waverly. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Well, how about okay?
That's all right.